Okay, just tossed some live tilapia out. As you can see here, we've got plenty more. So let's see what happens with the one we got out there. Alrighty, it's stormy. I mean, it's one stormy after the other. I had to use my backup camera that's waterproof. The water is extremely dirty. That's why they call it Chocolate Beach, because it turns to chocolate when it's raining. So I'm using live tilapia right now. I have no choice, just using live tilapia. So it's going to be hit or miss. You're either going to get something big or nothing at all. So let's just see what's going to happen today. Okay, some fish came my way, so I'm changing my rig here, and I'm gonna do some live baiting with some tilapia right there. See what happens. Fortunately, this is the biggest hook I got. I need something bigger, but I think I'm just going to do it like this for now. As you can see, okay. I'm trying to pick a hook. I'm not going to pull this out there hard because it's right through. It's going to have to kind of log it out. Okay, that was it. Let's see what happens. Woo, the winds are picking up, but I got live tilapia out there. Let's see what happens. Very good. All right. Copies of good That's that. Ooh, it's pouring. Check them out, it's a storm. The winds are coming in sideways. Holy wow.